Do you plan to move to the Netherlands? Or have you just arrived? Immigration is the number one reason to learn a language. In this lesson, I teach you the most common Dutch words related to the process of relocation and civic integration. I am Dutch tutor Bart de Pau, and this is 1000 Most Common Words in Dutch, the online video course for learning basic Dutch vocabulary with additional exercises on learndutch.org. I created 40 lessons. Each lesson contains 25 of the most frequently used words in Dutch. Lesson 28 is about moving to the Netherlands. Immigreren. Immigreren. The opposite is emigreren. Emigreren. De allochtoon. De allochtoon. Verhuizen. Verhuizen. And when looking for a house, you have the choice between kopen, to buy, we learned that in lesson 8, and huren. Huren. If you are new to the country, it likely will be huren. I will mention some important words you should know when you search for a place to rent. De makelaar. De makelaar. Het huurcontract. Het huurcontract. De huur. De huur. Usually not included in the rental fee are gas, water en elektriciteit. Gas, water en elektriciteit. For short, GWE. GWE. And sometimes included, sometimes not, so very important to check this, is de VVE-bijdrage. De VVE-bijdrage. And the VVE is the Homeowners Association. This fee is for covering the maintenance costs of the building. Het adres. Het adres. De buren. De buren. De buurman. De buurman. De buurvrouw. De buurvrouw. Inschrijven. Inschrijven. Inschrijven bij de gemeente. Inschrijven bij de gemeente. Remember the word gemeente from the previous lesson? It is the municipality. After you arrive in the Netherlands and you have an address to live, you need to go to the town hall to register. And often you will need to fill in a form. Het inschrijfformulier. Het inschrijfformulier. And they will ask you, kunt u zich legitimeren? Kunt u zich legitimeren? And that means that you have to show your ID. Zich legitimeren. Zich legitimeren. So, always, when you go to the gemeente, take this with you. Het paspoort. Het paspoort. De identiteitskaart. De identiteitskaart. Het rijbewijs. Het rijbewijs. Actually, now it is a plastic card, but mine is almost 10 years old, dating from the time it was a piece of paper. I should not forget to renew it. Het legitimatiebewijs. Het legitimatiebewijs. It can be a passport, an identity card, or a driving license. Het visum. Het visum. De verblijfsvergunning. De verblijfsvergunning. And the Dutch government agency that you need to go to apply for residence permits is called IND, IND, the Immigration and Naturalization Service. De werkvergunning. De werkvergunning. De inburgering. De inburgering. And inburgeren is formal assimilation. Doing a civic integration course, de inburgeringscursus. That includes learning the language, the history of the Netherlands, and how Dutch society functions. At the end there is an exam, het inburgeringsexamen. Het inburgeringsexamen. Most immigrants think that the inburgeringscursus is free. No, it is not. It's just that you do not need to pay immediately for it, as you can get a loan. And yes, you need to pay that back one day. Please note, there are two different exams. Het basisexamen inburgering and het inburgeringsexamen. Het basisexamen inburgering you need to do in your home country at the Dutch embassy. You need to have level A1. Passing this exam is one of the conditions to get a provisional residence permit. With that, you can travel to the Netherlands. In the Netherlands, you need to prepare for het inburgeringsexamen. Your level of Dutch should be A2. Passing this exam is one of the conditions to convert your provisional residence permit into a permanent residence permit. To prepare for these exams, you can use my online courses. The first version of #Dutch Grammar will bring you to level A1, and the second version to level A2. Or just visit us at the Dutch Summer School. By the way, if you reach level B1, you can do het NT2-examen. Het NT2-examen. NT2, you probably heard of that before, is an abbreviation of Nederlands als tweede taal. Nederlands als tweede taal. Dutch as a second language. If you pass the level B1 state exam, het staatsexamen NT2, you do not need to do the civic integration exam. This certificate can be important for getting a job or allowing you to enter a university for programs that are given in Dutch. Integreren. Integreren. And this expresses the process of taking part in Dutch society in real life. So, if you put on your clogs, an orange shirt, and you support for our Dutch football team with some Dutch friends, then we say, je bent goed geïntegreerd. Je bent goed geïntegreerd. And one step further is becoming Dutch. De naturalisatie. De naturalisatie. And of course, Holland is a very nice country, but it can happen you miss your home country. Heimwee. Heimwee. Let's hope it won't happen. Now, what about you? Are you learning Dutch because you moved or you plan to move to the Netherlands? I'm very interested to get to know my audience. If you watch this in YouTube, please write in the comments below where you come from and why you chose to live in the Netherlands. That's it for today. Did you like the lesson? Did it contain valuable information for you? Then please click the thumbs up button and share this on social media. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for weekly videos to learn Dutch. See you next lesson. Then we are going to talk about emotions. See you then. Tot ziens, tot les 29. Tot les 29.